NEGG was showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. Yesterday, the 24th of October 2025, in the regular session, it closed with a gain of 40.85% and lost around 6% in the post market session, printed an intraday high of 70.33 in that same post market session. So, yeah, the stock was trending from time to time. It has a low float and also a very high short interest, but any talk about gamma squeeze, we haven't seen anything with regard to that. Its options grid is quite scanty. But let's just see what's going on.
Newegg, NEGG, is trending as retail traders intensify discussions around a potential short squeeze, driven by elevated borrow rates, a perceived low float, and growing momentum across trading forums. The stock has become a focal point for speculative activity as participants analyze short interest data, debate accuracy across reporting platforms, and compare NEGG's setup to previous high profile squeeze events. One of the key narratives fueling optimism is the possibility of a gamma squeeze, with traders noting unusual options activity and the potential for market makers to be forced into hedging positions if call buying accelerates. This technical setup, combined with the stock's volatility and limited share availability, has amplified bullish sentiment among squeeze focused communities. Insider buying has also entered the conversation, with investors pointing to recent purchases as a possible sign of internal confidence or strategic positioning. For some, this adds credibility to the bullish thesis, suggesting that insiders might anticipate stronger fundamentals or corporate developments ahead. However, not everyone is convinced. Skeptics warn that the excitement surrounding NEGG could be driven more by speculation than substance, raising concerns about possible market manipulation or exaggerated short interest figures being circulated to fuel hype. They caution that high borrow fees alone don't guarantee a squeeze, and that retail driven rallies can unwind just as quickly as they start. Overall, NEGG has become a high risk, high reward battleground where traders are closely watching volume spikes, borrow rate updates, and insider filings for clues on whether this developing story turns into a full blown squeeze or another fleeting momentum trade.
The underlying trend is a bullish one. Okay, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it's going to maintain its strength up till Tuesday the 28th, and then consolidate up till the 3rd of November. Then may go on to contract the expansion that is expected to build up till the 28th of October, and that contraction is expected to remain in place up till the 4th of November. There's absolutely no guarantee that this was going to turn out that way. This is an extrapolation that's going towards so many days, even beyond the next day. There's no guarantee with regard to that. In terms of projections, we have 68.69, and it went on to print 70.33 in the post-market session. So above 70.33, there is 79.76. It's 6.6. This was as of yesterday, the 24th. As of the 17th, it had downward projections of 23.35, uh, 27.87, 35.19. Yeah. Okay. Previously, as of the 6th of October, it had even more ambitious projections, and also very, very, very seriously negative downward projections. Obviously, stocks don't print in negatives. Obviously, it's going to be referring to real prices that are really fractional. But upper projections 144, 142.22, 185.14 to 111.6.65. I don't think you should hope on that anytime soon. There's also 101.6 this printed as of the 14th of August. Okay, this it's all time. It's I think 52-week high. Let's just say was 128.09 as of the 14th of August. Oh, well, going by that, you can really say never. So I could be wrong, in terms of it testing the highs of let's say 100 and something dollars. It has actually done that already this year. So we could just quickly look at this. These are the moving averages. If the moving average, considering one or indeed all of them, if the moving average, especially this first one, is greater than 128, that's its 52-week high, 128.09. If it's greater than it, then we know that we have a 50% or greater probability that it will be retested. But we can see now that moving average is only 72.75. It is so tiny. It is so tiny that statistically, that's the probability is so tiny that it will be retested. But it doesn't matter how tiny it is. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. If given that it has that low float and has that high short interest, these are the sort of things that people, market participants, are watching. If they go and get aggressive on it, it can easily blow through 128.09, regardless of what the statistics is saying. So coming down to its 4-hour chart, let's see what we have. Extrapolation is saying that it's going to begin to contract this expansion that actually began on Wednesday the 22nd. Yeah, Wednesday the 22nd. That was when that expansion began. So it's saying that it's contracting, and it may remain that way up till Wednesday the 29th, the close of that day, and then may attempt to rebound again. So ultimately, it's just a consolidation that is being extrapolated at least up till the 5th of November. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. So all of its moving averages, I believe, are trending. Yes, positions opened all the way back to 800 hours ago are in profit as things stand right now, and that yeah, I think so. Yeah, and if you have a look at its daily chart as well, positions opened. Let's see. Yeah, everything is trending. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago. In profit a day. Let me confirm it. Yeah, they're all in profit. Yes, all of them are in profit. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of NEGG. And thank you very much for watching this video.